Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt less sour. Achieving a mild, creamy yogurt without excessive tanginess is simpler than you might think. The key lies in understanding and controlling a few critical factors throughout the process. We'll cover everything from selecting the right milk to perfecting your fermentation technique, ensuring your homemade yogurt is consistently delicious and never too tart. Let's dive into the details. Controlling the temperature is paramount for mild yogurt. First, heat your milk to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit before stirring in your starter culture. During incubation, aim to keep the mixture consistently at 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Fluctuations or temperatures much higher than this can cause the bacteria to work too quickly, leading to a more acidic, sour product. The duration of fermentation directly impacts your yogurt's sourness. For a milder taste, aim to ferment your yogurt for approximately 4 to 8 hours. Begin checking its consistency and tanginess around the 4-hour mark. The longer it ferments, the more lactic acid is produced, resulting in a sourer product. Once your yogurt reaches your preferred thickness and flavor, promptly move it to the refrigerator to halt the fermentation process. Your choice of milk also plays a role in the final flavor. Whole milk, with its higher fat content, often yields a creamier, less sour yogurt compared to skim or low-fat varieties. The fat can help mellow out some of the tang. If you desire a sweeter yogurt, incorporate a small amount of sugar, honey, or maple syrup after the fermentation is complete rather than before, to avoid interfering with the bacterial activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.